What's up guys, today we are finally going on our trip to Japan. We've been very excited about this for a very long time, so we're all packed, ready to go. So we got to go to Heathrow first, and then we're flying out from Heathrow to Haneda in Tokyo. So we're super excited for you guys to see our footage and just our adventure, so we will see you there. So we're finally here after, what, 16, 17 hours worth of travel.
Yeah.
It's been quite stressful. We did have a bag full of snacks to take on the train, which I left on the platform and someone enjoyed.
We fought for like a good 2 minutes.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah, you know, we had a bit of an argument over lost sour beer route.
It had 4 sour beer
It was
in
full
that
of
bag.
so much good stuff as well that we didn't have to eat. We had to pay train prices for crisps.
Yeah.
So after that, we got on the wrong tram in London to the airport. And then did we have any other issues on the way? Oh, our plane didn't take off for like 2 hours. So yeah, by the time we finally got to Japan, we were pretty drained. But we're here now. We just had a look around Shinjuku, and we can't believe how crazy it looks. Yeah, there's people everywhere, neon lights, crazy buildings, people just out in the streets. It's raining, it's pissing down. So we've literally just got into the room in the Godzilla Hotel, and the lobby is something else. So what we're going to do is we're going to go out and get some food and have a look around, and then maybe have an early night before we get ready to enjoy more of Japan tomorrow. So I guess we'll be seeing you guys in the next one.
We're about 3 hours later than we anticipated.
Yeah.
So we did have a little plan for this evening. Unfortunately, we're not going to get all that done, but we're going to get some stuff
we had a
done.
checklist of about 5 things, which we got here at, what, 9 o'clock instead of 3 originally, and then 5 p.m. So yeah, we're a bit late. So tomorrow's a new start, and we'll see you there.